how are you? Today, as you know, we are going to play an activity of action words. Are you right, student?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Here I give you suggestion.
Yes.
Yes or no? Shall we start?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Your student, please sit down. Please sit straight. Sit straight का मतलब क्या होता है?
सर हम बैठे ना वैसे होता है।
Yes. पीछे ध्यान रखना, टेबल की नहीं लग जाए। Stand up. Please raise your right hand. Down. Please raise your left hand. Down. Please join your hands. Join your hands. हाथ जोड़ना. हाथ जोड़ना. Please both your hands move forward. दोनों. both का मतलब दोनों. Up, upward. Side. दोनों. both sides. Down. Okay. Please laugh. Please weep. Yes, one time, only one time jump. One time, stop. Stop. Please come 2 step forward. 2 कदम आगे आए. Please 2 step backward. पीछे जाएं 2 कदम. Yes, stop. About turn. पीछे मुड़. About turn का मतलब होता है पीछे मुड़. Again, about turn. Student, can you dance? At your place only. Stop. Stop. Yes. What's Vishnu? Come here. Only Vishnu. Open the gate. Open the gate.
सर
Yes. Look at me. Okay. Close the door.
सर
Close the door. Yes. Close.
सर टॉपिक खाली
Okay. Please take the dustbin and put here. Good. Please erase this board. मिटाओ इसको. हाथ से मिटा दो. Okay. Please come. Go back to your seat. Yes. Harshit, come. Where is your sheet? Where is your sheet?
मैं सेट कर विष्णु के पीछे.
Behind Vishnu. Please open this window. Please close. Yes. What is this?
Here
Yeah.
water.
This is a chart. And what it shows? Water. It's a tape. Where is Vishnu? Where is Vishnu? कहाँ है विष्णु? ये रहा. Okay. Please take a chair and keep here. Take a chair. Don't drag. घसीटना नहीं. Please move forward. Yes. Please sit. Sit straight. Join your hands. Join your hands. Okay. Please move your hands upward. ऊपर ले जाओ. ऊपर करो head. Down. Okay. Please go back your seat. Yes. Meda, come. About turn. About turn. पीछे. Okay. Please join your hands. Start Gayatri mantra. Yes, open the gate. Come here. What is this? This is a chair. What is the name of this girl?
Mansi.
Tell me the name of rest five girls. This is Mansi. पास में जाओ उनके नाम बताओ. This is Mansi. This is ये.
This is Payal. This is Ruchika.
Yes, come back. Who is the monitor of your class?
Arshit and Mani.
Okay. How many fingers are there?
5.
5 fingers. Is that only thumb or finger? It's a thumb. Okay. Just go back. Stand here. Yes. Palak, look there. Palak, laugh. Haso. Yes. Weep. Weep. Yes. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Yes. What is the name of this boy?
Vishnu.
Vishnu. What is the name of this girl?
Mansi.
Where is your sheet? Which class do you read? Which class do you read? Third class. Third class. Yes, go back. Next. Yuvraj, go and close the door. Yes, please put the dustbin there in the corner. Put the dustbin. Dustbin. Please put the dustbin and sit there. Okay, come here. Yuvraj, show me your dance. डांस ऐसे थोड़ा सा. ओके. सिंग. एक्टिंग करना. सिंग. सिंग. यस. ईटिंग. ईटिंग. वीपिंग. स्माइल. क्लोज योर आइज. ओपन योर आइज. join your hands. Comb your hair. Okay, please zip up your coat. Zip up. Okay, who is your best friend?
Vishnu and Harshit.
Vishnu and Harshit. Okay. Eating. Eating. Talking. आपस में बात करो. आपस में बात करो. Okay, shake your hand. Okay, join your hands.
सही है मैं मार रहा है प्रोफेसर.
Sleep. Yes. Try to act, है ना? Smile. Keep silence. Okay, raise your hands up. Down. Sit down. Stand up. Join your hands. Okay, that's nice.